Hey there everyone, it's Anne here from English Valley Cafe. Today I have a pronunciation lesson for you. This video is by special request to demonstrate the words that start with a TW. So this is what I have planned. I'm going to first kind of break down how to pronounce, how to position your mouth to make this sound, the TW. So it's like tw. And then after that, we'll do some practice with words and also sentences as well at the end. So I've been making videos here on this channel on different sounds in American English. And one thing that I do want to point out here before I get into this video is that these videos are to help you speak English more clearly, to communicate more clearly in English. Everyone has different accents when they speak English. So I have an accent when I speak English. If you listen to another English teacher, they have a different accent. So these accents are not right or wrong. It just depends on where you're from. If you speak a different language, a native language, you might have a different accent when you're speaking English, and that is perfectly fine. Now, before we practice saying the words, I want to kind of break down what's going on with your mouth and your lips when you are trying to make this sound, okay? So basically, we have the t and then the w sound, okay? So it's t. The tip of my tongue is touching the back part of my teeth when I say but the shape of my mouth, my lips here is rounded, but it's pretty relaxed, okay? Then you're gonna pull your tongue back, and then you're gonna make the W sound. And then after that, everything is just going to release. You're going to relax everything, okay? So, twa, twa, twa. Okay, so let's practice with some of the words here. So the first one, 20. 20. Okay, so here you can say 20 or you can say 20. Okay, so both are fine. 20 or 20. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Now the next one here, the TW sound, it's in the middle of the word, so but exactly the same thing. You're gonna position your mouth exactly the same. So between. Between. So you hear that stress on the tween part. Okay, so between, between, tween, between, between. The next one is twice, 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 twice. The next one, twin, win. Just like when you're saying you win a game, win, win. And then we're gonna add the tw. So twin, twin, twist, 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 tweezer, zer. So you got that vibrating z sound and zer, zer. Tweezer, tweezer. All right, let's try to say these words here one time all the way through. 20, twinkle, between, twice, twice, twin, twin, twist, twist, tweezer, tweezer. All right, are you ready to challenge yourself? Let's take this to the next level. We'll put the word into a sentence, and I would like you to listen to me say the sentence the first time, okay? And then the second time, I invite you to say the sentence out loud with me. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 20 cups. Now say it out loud with me. 20 cups. Her twin sister. Say it out loud. Her twin sister. Think twice before you do it. Think twice before you do it. Good. The next one, sit between them. Sit between them. Okay, so notice here when I say sit between them, that sit, I'm not pronouncing that T. So I'm connecting sit to between. Okay, and again, that stress is on the to in that between word. Okay, so again, sit between them. Sit between them. Excellent. Now let's try this one more time and see if we can link the words together. Okay, let's do some connected speech here. 20 cups. 20 cups. Her twin sister. Okay, so notice here I'm making her, it's pretty short, and then I'm going to say twin, her twin, but I'm kind of making that sound a little bit longer and linking it to as in sister. Okay, so her twin sister. Her twin sister. Excellent. Next one. Think twice before you do it. Think twice. So here I'm not pronouncing the voiceless K here. So I'm saying think twice. Okay. So it's not think twice, but think twice before you do it. Okay, so again, I'm linking do it. I'm adding here an extra sound between do and it. Okay, so I'm saying do it, do it. Okay, so I'm adding the ooh sound in there. I actually made a video about linking two vowel sounds together. I'll leave the link down in the description and you can check that video out. But again, here is do it, do it. Okay, so think twice before you do it. Think twice before you do it. Okay, the last one, sit between them. Sit between them. Okay, sit between them. Okay, excellent, you did it. Like I said, I will leave the link to the connected speech videos down in the description below and also in the comments as well, and you can check that out. And if you have any questions about the TW sound, also feel free to leave it down in the comments. Just to give you a heads up, this is a good idiom to learn. Give you a heads up means to let you know about something in advance. Okay, so just want to give you a heads up. Next week I have another pronunciation video. It's also by request, and I will be talking about the dru sound. So words like drink, drove, drive, etc. So if you enjoy the videos here, you find it useful, make sure you share them with friends who are learning English, and don't forget to subscribe and tap on that bell icon so you get a notification when I upload new videos every week. And as always, if you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know, and also YouTube loves those thumbs up videos. You're helping me by pushing the video out to more English learners like you when you smash that thumbs up button. So do me a favor and smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.